You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words correctly once and for all. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary in English, stay tuned, more verbs as well. The top word is pronounced were in British English, were, or the American English pronunciation, US, were, as in they were so happy with the weather, were. The bottom word is the contraction of were not, pronounced as weren't. Weren't. British English pronunciation, weren't. American English, weren't, as in they weren't happy. It rained, weren't. Were, as in they were, and weren't, as in they were not. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.